Do you have court coming up and you're not sure what to do or how to act? My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office. I've been practicing in Tulsa for about 7 years. I want to help you make law easy by giving you some just little tips for what to do when you go to court. Today's tip is one that you would think would be very basic. Don't be late. One would think that this is a no-brainer, but it's sometimes harder to follow than you would realize. Just the other day, I had a case come up where I had two clients on the docket. Neither one of them showed up, or at least they didn't show up on time. Most dockets, especially criminal dockets, are set up to where the attorneys will be able to stand up, make their announcements. If it's just an arraignment, they'll enter your not guilty plea. If it's for some sort of a status hearing, they can announce to the judge, where we're at, what we're doing. Do we need some extra time? Do we need to pass the case out? That's all great, but the court wants to see that you're there, especially if it's a felony matter. Misdemeanors and some civil cases you can get out of being there, or at least being there on time. Your attorney can appear on your behalf. When it's a felony, it's especially important that you show up to court like yourself in person on time, so that way your attorney can effectively assist you and get your case wrapped up in a very quick and expeditious manner. In this particular instance, neither one of my clients were there whenever whenever I got there. It was a 9 o'clock docket. I showed up at 9 o'clock. At like 9:04, it was my turn to address the court. And so for both cases, I had to say, Your Honor, terribly sorry. My clients don't seem to be here, but I am, and I need a new court date. In this instance, thankfully, the judge was willing to work with me. Was able to get a new court date, get my client set up. They didn't have to be there. I didn't have to sit there and just wait for them to show up, which was nice. That's not always the case. Sometimes the court will make your attorney wait for you to get there, which isn't going to make your attorney very happy. Or the court just will flat out say, well, if they're not here, then we're going to issue a warrant for their arrest, which also not great. As your attorney, my job is to try to make your life easier and try to get your case wrapped up as quickly and efficiently as possible. It is very difficult for an attorney to do that if their client's not able to be present and participate. Thankfully, in this instance, like I said, no warrants were issued. We got a new court date scheduled for the clients, and everybody just went about their merry way. Thankfully, that's not always going to be the case. Be on time to court every time, and if you're not going to be, call your attorney. Call his office. Call his cell phone if you have it. Whatever you got to do to make sure that that attorney can be made aware of the fact of where you are, and if you're going to be on time, if you're going to be a few minutes late, or if you're just not going to show up at all. Once again, my name is Carl Burkhead with Wirth Law Office. You can find me at makelawEasy.com.